Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another DIY video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these beautiful graduation fans, okay? And the reason why I labeled this viral graduation fans is because since I put these up for sale or since I've been offering these through my Instagram, these particular designs have been selling non-stop. Like almost every single graduation fan I have gotten so far for this graduation season has been from this design, and the most selling color is the red. The red just pops. It looks like so good. I didn't realize how many school colors have red, but the red have been selling back to back to back. Like these fans came out so nice, so I had to make a separate video and share this with you guys. I wish I would have made it sooner, but I really had to find the time to really sit down and make it because I had gotten so many orders on these fans. Okay, so this is my #1 seller as far as graduation fans right now. So you know what, I'm not going to ramble on too much. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. And like always, if you want to make the things that I'm making the same way that I've made them, head over to my website Creative Crafter LLC, where you can find my templates and my patterns. Okay, so once you get to the website, go ahead and scroll down to graduation 2023 and you'll find all of my new graduation designs that I have available for this graduation season. Okay, and I'm always constantly adding new designs every day, so definitely check back. Now so far in this fan design, I only have about like 3 or 4 colors. If there is a particular color, especially a school color that you want, definitely reach out to me in the Let's Chat section of the website and let me know, hey, I like that glitter fan, can you please do it in green or orange or whatever color you want the fan in. Okay, right now I know I have purple, blue, red, and I know I gotta add some more colors, but I just haven't had the time to. But definitely if you need a certain color, reach out and let me know and I'll add it to the website within about 48 hours. Okay, definitely. So all of my images or my templates are instant download. So once you check out, a download box will pop up on your checkout screen and you'll go ahead and you'll click download and you'll save your image. Make sure that you're putting in the correct email address, okay? And for this fan, it's not much editing that we have to do, but of course we're going to add a picture and a name. You can add more, but I'm just going to show you how to add a picture and a name. So I'm going to be editing this using PicMonkey. So once you get to PicMonkey, you can make a free account. You go to create new. Once you hit create new, you'll go into what it says blank canvas, and it'll look just like this. And then you'll scroll down to where it says print sizes. And the print size I'm going to use in this video is going to be 11 by 8.5 inch. Okay, this fan is only comes one-sided, so you're going to actually make a back of the fan after you print it, so you can actually resize this fan, unlike my other templates that you can't resize because it comes with the front and the back and the sizes have to match. So with this one, it's only the front of the fan, so you can go ahead and resize it. After we click on 11 by 8.5, it'll open up to a blank sheet of paper, 11 by 8.5, and I'm going to show you guys real quick how you can resize the design. Basically, once you click on the template, it'll pop up into the empty sheet of paper, 11 by 8.5, and you'll click on it and it'll have a square with some circles around it. You can just drag the circles to resize the fan if you want it wider. With using 11 by 8.5 inch paper, you can't really make it too much longer than what it is, but you might can make it a little bit longer. That's just if you want to resize the size of the fan. Okay, but I'm just going to go ahead and undo the resizing, and I'm going to leave it at the regular size that I made the template when I put it for sale on the website. Okay, I'm just going to leave it the regular size because the regular size is still a good size graduation fan. Okay, but if you do want it bigger, you do have the option of making it bigger. Okay, so after putting it back to the regular size, I'm going to go ahead and click the image of the young lady. Now this young lady was not one of my customers. Sometimes it's not good to use the customer pictures because I don't want to get anyone to complain on it. So I just went ahead and found this image on Google, and I'm going to go ahead and use this. So I went ahead and clicked on the remove background tool on the menu. It's a picture of a scissor, and you can just go ahead and remove the background. It usually moves about 95 to 100% of your background. Okay, so once I did that, I went ahead and clicked on text. And I'm going to go ahead and put, let's call her Tiffany, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and write the name Tiffany, and I'm going to change the font to something that's more appealing to me. And the font that I chose is called La Curly. And I went ahead and changed the font color to white. And then I'm going to go into shadows and outlines. I'm going to go ahead and put a black outline around her name. And then I'm going to also drop a shadow, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and resize her name. And I'm going to probably put it like right above the 2023, like right below where she is and right above 2023. just like that. I'm not going to do anything more to this fan, but of course you can add as much as you want to add. You can even add the school logo like in the graduation cap. You can add the school name somewhere in between that gold glitter and where she is in the fan. I mean, you can add so much things to it. You don't want to overdo it, but you can definitely add more than just the graduate's name, okay? So I'm satisfied with it being just like this. So I'm going to go to the top menu where it says download, and I'm going to go ahead and download this and print this. And I'm going to print this in purple and gold, and I'm going to also do the blue and the red as well, so you guys can see the different colors and how good they look. Okay, like I said, if you want a certain color that I don't have available on the website, definitely reach out and let me know. So I printed these on regular white cardstock. For my orders, I use glossy photo paper. The thick paper is thick like cardstock, but it's glossy. But for the sake of the video, I went ahead and used regular white cardstock. And this is how they printed out. So pretty, so popping. I used my inkjet printer to print these, and this is how they came out. It's just regular white cardstock, not non-glossy, and this is how nice they came out, even just on regular white cardstock. Like, it looks so bomb. Like, I can't even lie. It's just the red for me is it just pops. Like, I've gotten so many orders on red. Like, the red just really pops. The purple, I mean, they're all nice. The purple is nice too, but that red just does something, baby. Okay, so yeah, so this is how they printed out. So nice, super simple, and you see how quick and easy it was for us to edit and add a picture and the name, and that's all you have to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to put this fan together, and it's super easy, super quick. I mean, you can make a ton of these, especially if you're having a lot of family come to your graduation. Definitely make a bunch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use a regular scissor. If you have a cutting machine, if you want to, you can go ahead and there's a way that you can, because my images are JPG. So if you have a cutting machine, there is a way that you can transfer a JPG file into a cut file. Now, I don't know exactly how to do it, but there is a way that it can be done. So if you want to use your cutting machine and cut them out, then by all means, go ahead and do so. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut these out by hand. The images are so big, so might as well, okay? So just about a few, I want to say about 3 minutes to cut out each one. So it's not a lot of cut time, but like I said, if you want to use your cut machine, go ahead and transfer the template into a cut file and use your cutting machine, okay? Especially if you're making a whole bunch of them, that might be easier for you, but I don't mind cutting things out by hand. Before they made cut machines, I was cutting things out by hand, okay? So I'm so used to it, so that's what I do. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out all of them, and then I'm probably going to just put together one of them on camera. So I'll come back and show you guys after I finish cutting it out how it looks, and then we'll go ahead and we'll assemble it. After cutting it out, this is how it looks. It's super cute, and this is actually a really good size. I should have measured it, but I think it's about, I want to say about 5 inches across and about 6 or close to 7 inches long. So it's a pretty good size fan, but like I said, you could resize it. So I'm going to go ahead and take some Scotch tape, and I'm just going to go ahead and circle them around so that they're sticky all the way around, and put a few pieces of Scotch tape all around the back of the fan. So I turned it around to the back, and I'm going to go ahead and just put a few pieces of Scotch tape around the corners or the edges of the fan, okay? And I forgot to tell you guys, the supplies you need are your wooden fan handles, some popsicle sticks. Of course, you want to use your glue gun, so you have to have your glue sticks and your scissor and a few pages of blank cardstock, depending on how many fans you make. So if you make 5 fans, you want to have 5 pages of blank cardstock, okay? So my blank cardstock is actually underneath the fan right now, if you guys can see. And I'm sorry if my camera keeps losing focus. Please bear with me, guys, okay? But yeah, so I just went ahead and rolled up some tape, some Scotch tape, and put it around the perimeter of the fan. Then I'm just going to go ahead and turn the fan back around and tape it onto the blank cardstock, because we're going to go ahead and cut out a backing of our fan. And before doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take my glue gun, and I'm just going to only glue the top parts of the fan, like where the C is in the word class and the graduation cap. I'm only going to go ahead and glue that. That way the fan can stay down sturdy while I'm cutting around it, while I'm cutting out the back, okay? I'm only going to put glue around the top edge, and that's it, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and put some glue around that C, and then put some around like the gold at the top where that C is, and that's it. I'm not going to glue anything else, because we want to keep our fan open, especially at the bottom, because we still have to put in our wooden fan handle and our popsicle sticks after we cut out the backing to this fan. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissors and I'm just gonna cut out basically like you're just cutting out a trace of the fan. So you can do this two ways. You can glue it and you can tape it and cut it out, or you can put the fan on the template on top of the white paper and you can trace it with a pencil and then cut it out. But I found it to be easier and quicker with doing it this way, especially if you're making a lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out all around. That way the back of our fan is attached to the front of our fan. Then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how we're going to finish assembling this fan. You see how super quick and easy this is, guys? I know I sped up some of the clips in the video for the sake of the video not being too long, but honestly, even without it being sped up, you can make one once you design the fan and you print it. After you print it, it only takes a few minutes to put the fan together. Okay, so I'm going to come back and we're going to go ahead and do that. Something different. You must be made for me. Patient is nothing. In and out, I get anything. Difficult. Okay, so now that I cut out our backing of our fan is attached to the front, this is how it looks all the way around, perfect and clean. Okay, it's super simple, guys. That's all you have to do is cut around. Okay, and see the top part is already glued. If you have any piece that's open, just go ahead and you can put some more glue into the top to secure it. But yeah, if the top part is already glued, so we're not too much worried about that. Now we want to go ahead and open up the bottom of our fan so that we can go ahead and put in our fan handle and our popsicle sticks. Now, because we have scotch tape in there, when you're opening the bottom part of the fan, don't try to open it too hard, because keep in mind, even though this is cardstock and cardstock is thicker than regular copy and print paper, it's still paper. So you don't want to like try to open it too hard or try to pull on it, because it definitely will rip. So just go ahead and open it lightly. Okay, and you don't have to remove the tape unless you want to, but you don't have to, because we could just go ahead and glue on top of that. All we're gonna do is close it back anyway, so there's no point of taking the tape out unless you want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and take our fan handles, and I'm gonna go ahead and link the ones that I use down below. I get them from Amazon on Amazon Prime. So I'm just go ahead and put some glue in the middle bottom of our fan, and then I'm gonna glue the fan handle inside. I want to say that I put about maybe 2 inches or 2.5 inches of that fan handle inside the fan. Okay, and just go ahead and press down and let that glue dry, but maybe about 15 seconds the most. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put popsicle sticks on each side of that fan handle. Now, if you're making up these, okay, especially to sell, I would suggest that you use popsicle sticks as well, because it helps to keep the fan sturdy so it's not wobbly. Because this is an actual fan, especially if you're going to an outside graduation, when you start fanning the fan and it doesn't feel sturdy, it'll feel all wobbly, like it'll feel flimsy. So to give the fan some extra sturdiness and for it to feel strong and stable, you do need to add some popsicle sticks in the inside. Okay, so we're just going to add 2, and we're going to put it in a V shape, 1 on each side of our fan handle, and that's all we need. So this what makes the fan strong. Okay, so after doing that, then we're basically about done. We're just going to go ahead and continue to glue around the borders of our openings of the fan. So we'll start by the graduation cap, like right under that, and we'll just go ahead and dab some glue on the edges and go ahead and just glue this thing all the way around, guys. And that is it. That's how super easy and quick it is to put this fan together. And like I said, I will tell you what, guys, again, if you need a certain color, definitely reach out to me, because these fans been selling and they come out so nice, so nice. I'll definitely put up some more clips at the ending of the video so you guys can really look and see how nice they turned out. But these fans turn out so nice. The color is popping. I love the background in the fan with the diamonds in it. Everything just came out so nice with this design. So hopefully you guys like it and you guys go ahead and give this a try. Definitely make these for your graduation. Okay, so we'll come back and I'll show you guys at the end how they all look when they're assembled. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patient is nothing. In and out, I get anything. and this is how they look how cute these are. These are so nice. Like, they're so nice. Every order that I've made with this, they come out so freaking beautiful. Like, they're so nice. Okay, popping. The color is just popping. The royal blue, the purple, the red. Like, I do need to add some more colors for real, but like I said, if you guys don't see the color that you want, definitely let me know. But these turn out so nice. It's a super quick and easy DIY, and it's a cute DIY. It looks good. It looks like you paid somebody to make these for you. Okay, if you crafty, or I mean, you don't even have to be crafty. If you watching the video, you'll be able to tell if you can make these or not for your graduation. Definitely give them a shot, because they look too nice. Okay, quick, easy, affordable, and nice. And like I said, if you having a lot of family come to your graduation, this would be cute to make for each person to have, and they can also keep it as a keepsake. So yeah, guys, these are how they turned out. Like, the red is my absolute favorite. I just love the way the red looks. Okay, that's my favorite. I love red in general, but the way this look with the red, the gold, and the white, it just looks so nice. Like, definitely comment down below and let me know what your favorite color is. Okay, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for your support. Definitely give me a like and subscribe. And like always, guys, God bless. Gotta be something different.